In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Spectrum Mobile Hotspot and how much mobile hotspot data does Spectrum Mobile give you. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys, welcome back to another episode on EB3 Tech. I'm your host, Eddie Blotnicki III, and on this channel, we're typically talking tech. Today, guys, we're talking about Spectrum Mobile again, and this is actually a question that's been asked pretty recently, and I've honestly been pretty curious myself because I actually didn't have an answer either, so I went ahead, I did some research, and I'm here to share with you my research that I did today. So guys, let's go ahead. We're going to dive right on in here. So I am at the Spectrum Mobile, the website here. And Spectrum Mobile has actually been a highly searched search term quite recently. So hence a lot of videos about Spectrum Mobile. And me personally, I've actually used them probably not quite a year yet, but it's getting pretty close. All right, guys, here we go. So like I said, I'm at the website right here. So in order to find out that information, we have to scroll down, we have to explore the plans. They have, for the cell phone devices, the by the gig plan, $14 a month, and then the unlimited, $45 a month, and then there's another unlimited plan, which is $10 more, which I honestly don't see advertised quite as much, but I'm going to show it to you just a little bit here. All right, here we go. We got the little Spectrum Mobile loading screen. So here's the plans for the phones, guys. We're going to go ahead and click on pricing and other info. And here is all the three phone plans here. Like I said, the by the gig, the $14 a month, the unlimited, $45 a month, or they have this unlimited plus for $55 a month there. But this video is just going to cover how much mobile hotspot data do you get. In essence, you're using your cell phone as a mobile hotspot to connect all your other devices that need internet, of course, on the go. So in order to get that, guys, we do have to scroll down here. And don't worry, you have me to help explain this info to you. And of course, when I do it, I go more in depth, which is why you guys search for these videos. You want to know the answer. A guy like me comes on and explains it to you. All right, so here we go. Under the staying connected, we have the mobile hotspot. They call it tethering. Data counts towards your mobile hotspot allowance. After 5 gigabytes, speeds are going to be reduced to a maximum of 600 kilobits per second. And for the by the gig, it's reduced to 256 kilobits a second. So essentially, I'll break this down for you just a little bit here. So for the by the gig plan, the $14 a month here, you can use it as a mobile hotspot if you want. But essentially, you're going to be using pretty much all your data if you just stream a couple videos, that is. If you're just, checking email, not doing any streaming, you might be okay. But just so you know, if you're on the by the gig plan, if you only have 1 gig of data, you could use all that on your mobile hotspot actually pretty quickly here. And then after that, your speeds are going to be reduced to 256 kilobits a second, which is honestly, unless you're just checking email, even that, it's going to take a while to load. So the speeds on that are not very good, guys. And then on these two plans here, the unlimited and the unlimited plus, the 45 and the 55. after 5 gigabytes, guys, that's it. Just 5 gigabytes of data. Your speeds are going to be reduced to a maximum of 600 kilobits a second. So honestly, the 5 gigabytes at high speed, a guy like me, I can use that within a couple hours, if not an hour. If I'm just uploading this YouTube video, my speeds are already used up. That basically goes to show you that 5 gigabytes is really not a whole lot. And then, like I said, after that, you are reduced to 600 kilobits a second. So checking email, you might be able to watch a very low quality YouTube video, but you have to let it buffer first. So honestly, after the 5 gigabytes, guys, the speeds they're really not usable. They're really not. So anyway, guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. You're thinking to yourself, man, Eddie, I actually really like the information, the content. You're an overall great guy. Then I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, like I said, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Before I let you go, I do want to mention, some of you might be asking, can you purchase more than the 5 gigabytes of hotspot data? And unfortunately, no. I even talked with a Spectrum Mobile rep on this, and I asked if there was any possible way to get like more data for more data add-ons or anything like that. And they said no, it's capped. Once you go over that 5 gigabytes of data, that's essentially it. And one thing I failed to mention, I'm glad I'm still talking to you guys here. The 5 gigabytes actually does go towards your high speed. So for example, if you're on the $45 a month plan, it's at 20 gigabytes of high speed data. So just so you know, that 5 gigabytes of mobile hotspot usage does go against this here. So after 20 gigs, if you use up all your 5 gigabytes mobile hotspot, you're only going to get 15. And with the unlimited plus here, after 30, you're really going to get only 25 if you choose to use all your mobile hotspot. So anyways, just a little extra secret there for those of you that have chose to tune in for the entirety of this video. But anyway, guys, for now, it's time to go ahead and let you guys go. Like I said, guys, stay tuned to the channel. Much more exciting tech. Guys, you know it. It's on the way soon. All right, guys. And until next time.